found the perfect hair for Boho Locs. If I were to do these from scratch, it would literally take hours. I mean, hours. And the fact that I did this in, let's say 2 hours, because the foundation had to be solid, you know, we had to do the foundation, but yeah, the braid foundation. The fact that I was able to do this in 2 hours is literally amazing. You guys know I'm always gonna be giving you guys quick styles that you can do. And just this hair, the quality, the amount of curls, like I've been dying to do like a really mermaid type look of this hair with just a lot of curly pieces. Like, I don't know, I'm just in love. Like, I really want to keep this in a really long time. I have no complaints about this hair. I'm filming this after the weekend, so I've had it in for about a few days now, and the hair hasn't tangled. It has been up in a bun, not gonna lie. It hasn't even been down. And the hair is fine, I took it down. Only thing I would suggest, I use 3 like bundles or 3 packs. I would probably do 4. I did have like a row and a half that needed more hair, but luckily I had these curly pieces in tracks, so I was able to like kind of improvise and just sew in a track in the top part so it didn't look too weird. Well, with that being said, don't forget to comment below. Let me know you guys' thoughts about this hair, any questions you have. Y'all know I always respond. Like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you guys can see when I post. I post every week. Okay, jumping right into this video. So these locks are from Ywigs. This is the first time I have used any hair from this company, and it's really nice. I want to try a lot of the other styles they have. So this is my foundation that I'm gonna do the locks on top of to give you the most versatile look. I will probably be uploading another video, like a tutorial of this foundation if you guys want. I have the clip so I can upload that, because if I was to add it to this, it would honestly just make it way too long. So we're just doing a basic like regular crochet, nothing crazy. So you're just pulling it through one time, kind of open the hole so it could fit, and you're gonna match where the plaits are. So that's kind of what creates the look of it being done from scratch, because we did plaits and connected it. There's spacing in between. I'm also super hungry. I don't know why I do this to myself. I wait so long to eat and then I'm like starving and I can't think.
So as you guys can see in the back, I have those same little individual plaits that I had in the front, so you're able to catch this in a ponytail. This is the same day. I just got a jacket and this wasn't the same day. I think this was another day. I was tired because I started doing it and then the babysitter left, so I had to tend to my baby. And yeah, I can't do both because he tries to pull down my tripod and just destroy all my stuff while I'm filming, so he definitely has to be watched so I can do this. But in general, it doesn't take a long time to do. This was just 2 separate days for me because I'm working with different circumstances. So it was around here that I did start running out of hair, and I was saying I wish I had an additional pack. So there was one row that I didn't have enough for, but like I told you guys, I had a sew-in, like a pack of tracks, so I just sewed it in. Or if you have like clip-ins too, you could just sew it in on top of that, but just buy 4. Don't be like me, buy 4 packs.
Okay, let's give a mirror view so you guys can see all of it. Listen, you know I love a style when I'm giving you guys the view of the hair from multiple perspectives, like multiple angles. Is this crooked? No, it's not. Yeah, when I'm doing that, y'all know that I'm really messing with it. That I'm really messing with the style. Okay, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know any questions you have. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Everything was pretty straightforward in the video. It's honestly not hard to install. I try to target most of my videos to easy styles that you guys can do by yourself. Not trying to take any money away from the braiders, you know. I get my hair done sometimes as well, but it is good, like especially as a woman of color, to be able to do certain styles yourself so you don't always have to rely on somebody else to do it for you. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next week. I love you.